Hey, I'm Shreyansh Bhavsar, leading TRG, the Talent Resource Group at Intech. The leadership's motive behind TRG is to focus on the core skills, the motivation and the character building of employees, especially for freshers, along with their specific skills. And that is how the TRG came into the picture. So at TRG, what we focus is the core skill building that creates a professional, that makes a professional, and that's what the TRG is all about. While designing training program at TRG, we make sure that we design it around the core learning principles along with millennials mindset and how they would react to different learnings. This is helping us to keep them interested and engaged throughout the learning process, which is very essential. For freshers, we are focusing on their professional skills, problem solving approach, data discipline, and most importantly, never die attitude and growth mindset. It includes different levels and modes of trainings along with a lot of fun and real-time role plays. Now let's hear from our few of the TRG members what they feel about the TRG learning.
My journey in TRG has been quite transforming. I am enjoying the campus to corporate journey, but in a quite nurturing environment. I am appreciative of the vision of the developing professionalism in us, gradually and according to our own individual potential. I am confident that my transition into the professional role would be perfect because of TRG. Thank you.
Our day at TRG begins with a stand-up, but it's not like a usual stand-up. It's more like a waking up your brain exercise. We are given some food for thought. Later on, we continue doing our tasks which are assigned to us and which specifically focus on our roles, and we develop our analytical skills and problem solving skills and such through such activities. And every day we learn something new.
The journey of TRG so far has been enriching. We are developing valuable soft skills like team building, communication through games and fun activities like role play, which was designed to learn about our actual roles but are always carried out in a fun learning environment.
The work culture here at Intech is fantastic. The people working here are also very supportive. My journey at TRG is full of learning. I am very eager to take up my role and work in this vibrant environment with motivating and supportive people.
To summarize this, all I can say is TRG is committed to prepare self-motivated and highly skilled professionals for Intech. Thank you.